Hi, I'm Wayne from Australian Earthmoving, and today I'm talking about Norm Engineering Dozer Blade Stick Rakes. As a leader in the earthmoving attachment industry, Norm Engineering has designed the most talked about attachment, the new Dozer Blade Stick Rake. It's versatile and simple to use. By simply removing 4 locking pins and manoeuvring your vehicle, you're able to replace the locking pins, therefore changing this attachment from a dozer blade to a stick rake. The dozer blade comes with a replaceable bolt-on cutting edge, providing you with a longer lasting attachment. The strong materials used to build the dozer blade allow it to be used in the harsh Australian environment. This unique machinery attachment makes incredibly short work of clearing land, fence lines, debris and other vegetation. The spacing between its tines provides excellent sifting to minimise waste and maximise productivity. Designed and constructed here in Australia using only strong, high quality materials, you can be confident throwing your skid steer's power behind this stick rake through challenging vegetation time and time again. Combining efficiency with affordability, this stick rake attachment is available in models to suit skid steer loaders, wheel loaders, tractor loaders, telehandlers and more. The Norm Engineering stick rake tines are manufactured from 500 grade bisalloy to give it extra strength and durability. The Dozer Blade Stick Rake ranges in size from 2100 right up to 3000 millimeters and is ideally suited to skid steers and track loaders. This adaptable attachment can be used for clearing debris, small rocks and refuse, which makes it an ideal attachment for councils, landscaping, construction, mining and agricultural industries. An extremely high quality of materials and manufacturing is something that we've come to expect from Norm Engineering, and there is a reason they are the go-to attachment manufacturer across Australia and New Zealand. Its innovative and premium attachments such as their Pro Series buckets, brooms, swing hose and these Dozer Blade stick rakes that really cement them as one of our favourites too. For more information on any Norm Engineering products, call 07 3376 3177 or visit normeng.com.au.